In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and recover deleted listings on Facebook Marketplace. If you recently removed a listing by mistake, or you just can't find an item you posted before, don't worry. In many cases, the listing may still be available in another section of Marketplace. And if it's truly gone, you can still recreate it fairly quickly. I'll walk you through the places you should check first. Start by opening the Facebook app or go to the Facebook website in your browser. Once you're on Facebook, tap or click Marketplace. From there, select your profile icon, then open your listings. This is the main area where Facebook stores all of your Marketplace posts. Take a moment to look through each listing category carefully. Check active, pending, sold, archived, and inactive. Sometimes a listing seems deleted, but it has actually been moved into one of these sections. For example, if an item was marked as sold, expired, or hidden, it may no longer appear where you expected, even though it still exists in your account history. If you still don't see it, the next place to check is archived listings. Go back into Marketplace, tap your profile icon again, and open your listings. If you see an archived section, select it. This is important because some listings are removed from your main view without being permanently erased. If you find the item there, you may have the option to reactivate it or republish it, which can save you time compared to building the listing again from scratch. Another useful place to look is your Facebook activity log. Open Facebook, tap your profile picture, and go to Settings and Privacy, then Activity Log. Review your Marketplace activity to see whether you can find any record of the deleted listing. This may help confirm what happened to it, especially if you're unsure whether it was archived, removed, or manually deleted. If the listing was permanently deleted and can't be recovered, the final option is to recreate it. Go to Marketplace and tap Create New Listing. Choose the correct listing type, then upload the item photos again. After that, enter the title, description, price, and any other relevant details, and then publish the new listing. As a helpful tip, if you think you may need to repost items in the future, it's a good idea to keep your photos and listing details saved somewhere easy to access. That way, recreating a listing